Let me show you how to fix the message notification sound if it's not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're getting text messages, but you're not hearing that notification sound with it, so you're missing them, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do is make sure your phone isn't on silent mode. So you might have a button on the side or a toggle where you can toggle it towards you or away from you. So if I press the button on the side here, you can see it goes from silent mode to ring mode. Now, again, you might need to toggle that towards you or away from you. And depending on your model of the iPhone, you might have an action button where you might have set it to something different. If you did, make sure to just set it to silent mode so that you can press and hold it so that it switches to ring mode. The next thing that we will do is swipe down from the top right, and we need to make sure the volume slider is all the way up. So again, volume slider all the way up. And from here, we also want to make sure if you have any focus mode like do not disturb turned on, just toggle that off as well. Now, after we've done that, we want to make sure the ringer volume is all the way up. So you can see the ringer volume up, the ringer volume down. I'll press that ringer volume all the way up so you can see ringer is all the way up. Now, we've taken care of some of the basic things on your phone, but keep in mind that might not necessarily fix that message notification sound. What we're going to do is make sure that your notifications are set up appropriately. So let's go into the notifications specifically for your messages here. And you can see sounds. Now, this will determine what sound is associated with when you get a text. So it might be set to none, and you can switch it to note, which is the default. Again, when I tap on it, it just gives me an example of what that sound is when I get that text message from anyone. Now, after you've gone through all of those steps, we also should go into the sounds and haptics section and again, go to text tone and make sure this is set to note instead of none. Going through all of these steps, this should fix your problem, but there are a couple different things that we might need to do. You might need to go into general and then go through the process of resetting all of the settings on your iPhone if it doesn't fix it. So just enter in the passcode for your phone here and then go through and reset all of the settings on your phone if it's still not working. Keep in mind another bug or maybe a feature, depending on how you look at it, is if you have your iPhone unlocked and you're playing with it, you're opening up apps and checking out photos, etc. Even if you get a text message, sometimes the banner will just show up at the very top, but it won't play that text message sound because it assumes that you're right in front of your phone and it doesn't need to play the ding or the text message sound for the notification. It'll just pop up with the banner and that little number at the very bottom next to the app.